Hi everyone, I am Krishna Prasad Gangaraju, having 25 years experience in mathematics in both Telugu states. Today I am going to explain real numbers in 9th class. In 9th class real numbers. Before going this chapter, I will give the basics. So first one, natural number. Natural number. Natural numbers are denoted by the letter n. Natural numbers are denoted by the letter n. So natural numbers are begin with 1. So 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 so on. So these are the natural numbers. See here starting number is there, but there is no ending number. So least natural number is 1. There is no ending number for natural number. So in the same way, whole numbers. So whole numbers are denoted by W. Whole numbers are denoted by W. So whole numbers are begin with 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. These are called whole numbers. Here also in the same way, in whole numbers, least number is 0. We don't know the ending number. So least number or starting number. Least number is 0. So third one, integers. Integer denoted by the letter W. So integers, it has both negative numbers and positive numbers. Integers both have negative numbers and positive numbers. Here negative numbers, positive numbers are there, but we don't know the starting number. In negative numbers, we don't know the starting number. We know the middle number 0. So starting number we don't know, some dots. -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. So these are all called integers. You see, in these above 3 numbers, these are all the numbers, no fraction here. No fraction. These are all numbers. So remember that one. Natural numbers, whole numbers and integers are only the numbers. There is no fraction for them. Okay. Next one, fractions. What is fraction? If you take an apple, divided into 4 equal parts. Take an apple, divided into 4 equal parts. If you take one part, then it is called 1 by 4. 1 by 4. If you take 3 parts, then it is called 3 by 4. 3 parts we are taking means 3 by 4. So this is called fraction. In fraction, above number is called numerator, below number is called denominator. These are all the basic steps. In a fraction, above number is called numerator, below number is, bottom number is called denominator. So entire these all are called rational numbers. These all are called rational numbers. So fifth one, rational numbers. It is denoted by the letter Q. What is rational number? These all are called rational number, I told. But the definition is, rational number is in the form of P by Q. If the number is in the form of P by Q, where q not equal to 0, then it is called rational number. What? In a number, if p by q not equal to 0 is called rational number. So rational number. Next one, decimals. What is decimal? If you divide 10 by 3, I am dividing 10 with 3. 3 3s are 9, 1 balance, 0. 3 3s are 9, 1 balance, again 0. 3 3s are 9, 0, 1. So this is called, answer is 3.333, so on. This is called decimal system. Again in decimal system, two types are there. What are the types? After point, if you write, we can write the ending number, ending digit, then it is called terminating decimal. These decimal systems are two types. One is terminating and another is non-terminating. What is terminating? What is non-terminating? Terminating means if we can write the ending digit, then it is called terminating decimal. But here it is not ending. So this is called non-terminating decimal. So decimal systems are two types. One is terminating decimal and another is non-terminating decimal. So what is the meaning of non-terminating decimal? Terminating decimals. If in division, if remainder is 0, it is called terminating decimal. In another way, we can say that if the last digit we can write, then it is also called terminating decimal. So for the division, this is one example. 5 ones are 5, 3 balance, 0, 5 6 are 30, 0. Here remainder is 0. So answer is 1.6. So this is called terminating decimal because I can write the ending number. So the last number is there, 6. So this is called terminating decimal. This is terminating decimal. This is terminating. See this division, see here, 3.33333 going. Here no terminating, the numbers are coming. So this is called non-terminating. So what is non-terminating? Non-terminating decimals. So non-terminating decimal means in answer after decimal we can't write the ending number. So for example, just same example, 10 by 3. So 10 divided with 3. 3 3s are 9, 1 balance, 0, 3. 3 3s are 9, 1 balance. again 0, 3 3s are 9, 1, same repeating 3 3 3 3. So this is no ending. No ending means the numbers are coming like this. No ending means that is called non-terminating decimal. So decimals are two types. One is terminating decimal and another is non-terminating. In non-terminating decimals, two types are there. One is repeating non-terminating decimal. Here see the number is 3 is repeating. So this is called repeating non-terminating decimal. In another way, the number will not repeat, but it going on endless. It is going on endless. So that is called non-repeating non-terminating decimal. So examples for non-terminating repeating decimals are 3.13, 13, 13, 13, so on. This is going on. Numbers are going on, but what number is going on? 13, 13, 13, 13. So here repeating number is 13, 13 is repeating. Simply we can write this one 3.13 bar. So this is non-terminating. Non-terminating means no ending point. Repeat. So this is called non-terminating repeating decimal. And another is non-terminating non-repeating decimal. Non-terminating non-repeating decimal. So here no ending point and also the numbers are not repeat. Example 2.730567 like this. We can write different numbers, but they will not coming in order. Here 7 is there, after 7 3 is there. Here 7, after 7 4 is there. Those are not in order. So this is called non-terminating non-repeating decimal. This is non-terminating repeating decimal. Another one is terminating decimal. So overall 3 decimals are there. One is terminating decimal. In non-terminating 2 models are there. One is repeating decimal. In non-terminating I am telling. And another is non-repeating decimal. This non-terminating repeating decimal and this one and terminating decimals can be written as in rational form, that is P by Q form. These two decimal systems can be expressed in P by Q form, that is rational numbers. So these two can be expressed in rational numbers. What are the two? One is terminating decimal and another is non-terminating repeating decimal. What about this one? Non-terminating non-repeating decimal. Non-repeating means non-recurring also. Here also non-repeating I say, but it is also called non-recurring decimal. So this is called irrational number. Irrational number. So this is called irrational. What is irrational number? For irrational number decimal system, there is no ending point and no repeating. There is no ending point and also no repeating numbers. In another way, we can say, if a number is there, its exponent is fraction, then it is called irrational number. For a number, exponent is fraction, then it is called irrational number. For example, I am writing here 3. In fraction is 2 by 3. This is irrational number. 3 power 1 by 2 means root 3. Irrational number. Root 5 irrational number. Root 11 irrational number. Root 4. This is not irrational number because root 4 answer is there. For root 4 answer is 2. This is rational number. root 16 rational number, because root 16 4 square root cancel, answer is 4. So rational number and irrational number. What is the difference between rational and irrational? Rational number means these all are called rational numbers. What about irrational number? In a number, if exponent is fraction, then it is called irrational number. In other way, we can say that in a decimal system, the decimals are endless. Those are going on and non-repeating. Those are called irrational numbers. So these are the models of this chart. So these information I will give in chart. So first, numbers. Numbers can be divided into two models. One is real numbers and another is not real. Numbers are two types. One is real and another is not real. What is not real? In a root, negative numbers are there. These are called not real numbers. There is no, till now there is no value. The value will not find till now. So this study, according to depend upon this education, we will learn in intermediate, not in 9th class, not in 10th class also. These are called not real numbers. So this is real numbers. So you forget about not real. Real numbers are two types. One is rational and another is irrational. So real numbers are two types. One is rational and another is irrational. And also you forget about irrational number. Little bit subject is there in 9th class and also in 10th class. In 9th class, 10th class, little bit subject is there. So already I given definitions for this. So again, rational numbers are divided into four types or three types. Generally they told three types. I am giving four types. One is fraction and another is natural numbers, whole numbers, integers. So rational numbers are called cube. So this is the flow chart according to the numbers. Thank you. So this is the chart. If you like my teaching, then subscribe the channel and share to your friends. Thank you.